I have a big update coming in from the investigation on what led to the stampede in Hathras in Uttar Pradesh, where 116 people for now, latest, have been confirmed to have died in that stampede. This, remember, is the official number. Many are still missing, especially women and children. An FI reveals glaring lapses at the satsang venue. We are told that there was a certain permission taken from the local police and administration for this devotional congregation, for which 80,000 was an approximate number believed to be, but in turn, 2.5 lakh people approximately gathered. Imagine the number and then compare it to the arrangements that were there for them, which were definitely not up to the mark. The organizers, having failed to manage the overcrowd, most of them were poor people, women and children, hopeful of some positivity in their life from this self-styled godman. The devotees fell into a ditch at the venue. There was no help by the organizers. It led to an immediate commotion when the godman was leaving. Shreya Chatterjee is in Hathras right now and she's constantly reporting on this. Shreya, I bring you in here. What do you see around you? Because in the investigation, even 80,000, even if that was the approximate official number for permission, is a big number. Do you think arrangements were in place given this kind of number?
Clearly, Pooja, arrangements were not put in place by the organizers. Now, the initial, the permission was taken for 80,000 people. What the police has finally gathered is more than 2.5 lakh people have gathered at this spot. The commotion started when the godman was leaving the venue and the devotees wanted to gather. His charan dhul is what exactly the FIR quotes, followed by which the commandos or the personal security guards of this Baba, they had stopped these people when they had crossed over to another field which was 3 meters adjacent to the congregation point. Here in the ditch, one by one, children and mostly women, they started falling, and that has resulted into this unfortunate incident which has taken 116 lives. The police also details in the FIR that there was an attempt to destroy evidence. All the remnants of the belongings of the people were allegedly thrown away at a location nearby, which the police has recovered. So police has also alleged destruction of evidence in the matter, and they've also said that when the commotion happened, no help was provided from the side of the organizers to assist their own people. So this is something that the police has openly stated in the FIR. They have registered the FIR against the organizers. The primary person named is Dev Prakash Madhukar, is what we have been given to understand, and other organizer also who were part of organizing this event has also been named in this particular FIR.
Absolutely shocking, and to imagine what would have unfolded at that time. And as always, the poor, the women and children suffer this horror. Many are still missing at this point. Take a look as India Today is on the ground. Himanshu Mishra, Santosh Sharma have been sending us ground reports. Here's one.
स्पॉट पे मौजूद हूं और आपको दिखाऊंगा कि देखिए ये सामने आपको डॉग स्क्वाड और फोरेंसिक टीम आपको पूरी नजर आएगी। ये पूरे खेत में वो एक एक सबूत इकट्ठा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, एविडेंस कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ताकि समझा जा सके कि आखिर ये जो पूरा हादसा हुआ जिसमें अब तक 116 लोगों की मौत हुई, उसके पीछे की असल वजह क्या है ये समझने की कोशिश की जा रही है। ये जो खेत आप देख रहे हैं, इन खेतों में आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ लोगों के पैरों के निशान, जूतों के निशान, तमाम जो जूते चप्पल हैं वो यहां आपको पड़े मिलेंगे। यहां पर बताया जा रहा है 6000 से 7000 के आसपास टू व्हीलर भी इन जगहों पर खड़ी थी। जगह जगह वाटर टैंकर खड़े थे। बारिश का मौसम है ही है। ये पूरी जगह इतनी स्लिपरी है राजीव कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा आगे जाएंगे तो संभाल पाना मुश्किल है, और आप सीधे जो खेत के बगल में ये आपको छोटा सा जो नाली सी दिख रही है, आप सीधे उसमें जाके गिरेंगे। तो लोग यहां पर जब पहुंचे थे और पीछे से भीड़ आई और बाबा के करीब पहुंचने की कोशिश, उनका पैर छूने की कोशिश, उनकी चरण धूली लेने की कोशिश के चक्कर में लोगों की भीड़ जब आगे की तरफ आई तो लोग जो यहां आगे मौजूद थे वो यहां से लेकर आप कहिए कि तकरीबन 25 मीटर की दूरी तक का जो पूरा जो स्ट्रेच है, लोग नीचे गिरते चले गए। आप निशान देख सकते हैं लोगों की गिरने के। ये तमाम ये जो पूरे यहाँ पे घास फूस है वो किस तरीके से मुड़े में। दरअसल जब लोग गिरे और जो नीचे गिरे उनके ऊपर लोग गिरते चले गए और जो नीचे दबे उनकी सांसें थम गई।